What's up guys, my name's Keely. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about fitness, wellness, lifestyle, vlog type style videos. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and hit subscribe and we'll have tons of fun together. This video is gonna be about my 3-day cleanse that I just went grocery shopping for. Good parking spot, yes, right up front. Okay. I love it when I get a good parking spot. It never happens. We are here. Store, and then at the end I'll show you what order I plan on eating these meals and why. That way you guys can follow along if you want. It's only a 3-day cleanse. It's nothing crazy. It's 3 protein shakes a day, 1 fiber drink, which it's not that great, but it does help stay full. And then fruit a couple times a day, a healthy fat, so that's going to be an avocado or hummus is what I choose. And then, yeah, vegetables the rest of the day. I am sweating in my apartment. I'm on the 3rd floor. It was 99 degrees outside today, and all the heat has risen, and I do not have air conditioning, so I apologize. You know, I'm only human. I can only do so much. Without further ado, my vegetables. Let's see. Strawberries, whatever I don't use for this cleanse, I will cut up and freeze and keep for future protein shakes. A couple of bell peppers, my fiber drink. I have a feeling this one's gonna be really gross. It's okay though. Normally I do, oh my gosh, it is so stinking hot. Put the dressing away. Normally I do the Beachbody 3-day refresh, but it's $70 and I don't think it is necessary to spend that kind of money when I can go to the grocery store and spend half of that and still get the same cleanse and results with the protein and fiber from there. Maybe they have other stuff in the ingredients that makes it better, which I think they do, but I don't know. I just don't want to spend that money when I can do it on my own and save a little bit. So there's my thought on that. Anyway, there is, I got broccoli, I got bananas, cucumber. Again, I didn't get any meat. This is a meatless cleanse. Celery. Tomatoes on the vine. They smell amazing. I love them, and they were on sale. Avocado for my healthy fat. Garlic because it's never enough. People will complain, and I literally do not care. I love garlic. If you don't like the smell of me, back up. And red onion. Yes, I smell good all the time. And some gum because garlic and red onion. Am I right? also got flowers to go on my dining room table just because they're pretty and I wanted them. Treat yourself. Anyway, now that we've got the flour situation out of the way, back to meal prepping. Okay, so I start off with scuba Shakeology, strawberries, water, ice for my smoothie in the morning. It's super simple, really easy. I just put it in my NutriBullet and get going. That's my fiber. And the second protein shake is going to be blueberries and just a simple whey protein. There's no flavor in it, so we'll see. Next I have celery and hummus. I only did a couple of stalks of celery. We don't want to overdo it on these. And then this is my salad that I will put vinegar and oil in with my avocado. This will be my dinner. Let's see, onion, bell pepper, broccoli. I'm going to put sesame oil, avocado oil, everything but the bagel seasoning, and salt and pepper. And that is my 3-day meal. So this will be day 1, and then I do the same thing every day for 3 days. Super easy. Everything is grab and go if you prep it correctly. I love it.
The next day,
Friday. I'm running late because I slept in because it was hotter than hell in my apartment. So I have 9 minutes to get to work. But with all that aside, I have my protein shake, about a cup of strawberries with a scoop of protein powder, Shakeology, 8 ounces of water, and an ice cube or 2. Got my water. I drink 3 or 4 of these a day, probably more now because it's so hot outside. And then I have my coffee that I keep at my desk because my company is a real stickler for us not getting up when it's not our break. We can't go get coffee if it's not break time. So I bring my, what is this guy doing? Okay, I can't see around that corner. So I bring my thermos to work, and then I'll get a cup of coffee. Like I keep a Keurig, I keep K-cups in my desk. So when I get to work, I'll get a cup of coffee with my Keurig, and then keep a whole thermos of coffee at my desk. So I have like 8 cups of coffee, it seems like. It's really only 3, maybe 4, by the time my 10 o'clock break hits. When I say I have a problem with being addicted to caffeine, that's what I mean. So anyway, gonna have my shake while I'm at work, probably before my coffee. I probably won't get a K-cup today because I don't have time. And then on my break, I also brought my fiber powder, which I actually haven't used before. I'm a little nervous about it, so we'll see. And then I'll have my lunch, but I go home for lunch because I work so close, or I live so close to work. I'm gonna go have the cucumber, tomato, onion, like salad with some balsamic vinegar and oil and some salt and pepper. Shake it up, add some avocado, and that's it for lunch. And then my snack will be celery, hummus, and my second protein shake, which will be a scoop of regular protein powder, and a cup of blueberries mixed in with water and ice. So that will be my lunch, and then I'm gonna run home for dinner, make my broccoli, bell pepper, onion, garlic. Okay, there it is. Blueberry protein shake, cucumber, tomato, balsamic salad, a couple stalks of celery, and some hummus. Lunch. Okay, so I just finished my lunch and it was really good with the exception of that protein shake, the blueberry whey protein. The issue with that was I didn't have any stevia in it, and it was literally the protein from bulk from Winco. And there's no flavor in it. So it was absolutely disgusting. I think I swore when I tried it. So I ended up dumping that out, and I'm just gonna take another scoop of Shakeology. We're gonna redo the protein shake just with some chocolate and banana. I'm only gonna cut a quarter of a banana off. I don't want too much going on there. And I think I have some PB2. I do. So I'll add a little bit of that. Take two. Cheers. Way better. I love chocolate peanut butter and banana. Oh, it's so good.
Later.
Sauteing up the broccoli and bell pepper now using the sesame oil, avocado oil. I do a half and half, so there's not as many calories. And then I have everything but the bagel seasoning, some garlic. I'll add some red onions in there and salt and pepper and call it a day. It's delicious. Super quick and easy. Strawberry chocolate milkshake, protein shake, and broccoli. Day 1 of the cleanse done. I feel really good. I do feel a little tired just because all the sugar and all the junk that I've eaten over the last month is just clearing itself out. So day 2 and 3 are up next. I eat the same thing all 3 days in a row. So I'm a creature of habit. I don't like to change up too much and make everything super complicated. So same thing every day. I wake up, I have my protein shake with a cup of strawberries, then I have my lunch, then I have then I have my fiber, then I have my lunch, then I have supposed to be my snack, but I ate that at the same time just because I didn't want to be that girl in the office, you know, crunching all over her celery. And then my dinner, which I have right here. So it's so good. I love it. If you like stir fry Asian fusion flavors, so good. Your breath is not gonna smell the best after, but #health, right? So yeah, all 3 days in a row, it's all gonna be the same. After I'm done eating this, I'm gonna eat or drink my protein shake and then enjoy the rest of the night. Drink a bunch of water. I'll probably end the night with tea and lemon, and repeat
day 1 or day 2, day 3. And as far as the gym, I'm not gonna overexert myself. I'm just gonna do light stretching, maybe some yoga, a little bit of abs, but nothing too crazy. When you're on such a low calorie deficit, I guess, it's not good to work out really hard when you're not eating very much. So I'm just gonna take it easy the next couple of days, but still stay on track. Come Monday, I'll reintroduce like eggs, chicken, all that stuff. So comment below on what you want to see next. If you want to see a workout, if you want to see what I eat in a day aside from the cleanse. You want to see Buff Bunny outfits that I ordered. If you want to see, you know, whatever, makeup, anything, comment down below, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I thank you so much for watching.